Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday morning. It's been a busy week here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I got a lot done. Last night, the culinary expedition continued. We were in Indonesia. I prepared Indonesian chicken curry with Thai basil. Wow. This recipe was challenging because I believe it was translated from somewhere else. It's not an original American recipe. Because there's holes in some of in places that I kind of had to fill in. But because of experience, when you're experienced like we are as cooks and chefs, we can fill in those holes and be a little creative. Some of the ingredients that are in the herb section, I just couldn't find because they're just not common here in the United States. I did keep the Thai basil alive that I purchased from the farmer's market last Saturday from the Young family. It worked out beautifully. I had more than enough. Plus, trust me, plenty. Check out the Zhang family on Saturday mornings at the Yuba City Farmers Market. Great people, great family. So yeah, it was good. I'll post it up. Have fun with it. All right, I kind of debated whether or not I was going to continue this recipe as part of the expedition, and I decided this morning as I was sipping my coffee that I am. Because this is different than anything that I have done from this country. Different I'll explain. The culinary expedition continues tonight in India. Now, if you have followed me for any length of time, you all know my former wife is Indian. I learned how to cook Indian food from my former wife and her mother. Tonight's dish is beef and tomato curry over quinoa. It's different because it's beef. Not a lot of beef is served in India for various reasons. 2, it's a quinoa dish, which is, not typical for India. And I've been actually looking forward to this dish because I'm going to do my best to plate this beautifully. Last night, I enjoyed the heck out of plating that. Tried something different, and it worked, I think. So let's get to it. This was originally a crock pot or slow cooker dish that I'm converting over to a slow simmer. So brazer's clean and ready, and the small saucepan is for the quinoa. Quinoa is super simple to prepare. So for the curry, beef, I'm used to using regular old stew beef because it's what I can afford. Garlic, chilies, onion, ginger, some tomato paste, bay leaf. I'll be using about a half a can of diced cut tomatoes. Of course, some olive oil. Actually, I will switch that over to ghee to be more traditional. Some red wine. I'll be using my Indian curry powder. There's 2 doses of curry in this dish. Quinoa. There are 3 types of quinoa. Basically, according to this package, this is what they call the traditional quinoa. Actually, it's actually white quinoa. There's also black and red. They all have different flavors. A little bit of oil. Water. Actually, I'm going to pick up some veggie broth this morning. I'm going grocery shopping. And a little bit of salt. So here's the goodies for tonight's beef and tomato curry over quinoa. So that's what's going on here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen tonight. Well, throughout the day. What do you have plans for tonight or throughout the weekend? Food plans. Let me know in the comments. All right. So on this Friday, TGIF, I had to get that in. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.